Q factor of resonant circuit or sharpness of resonant circuit. Basically, Q factor means the quality factor of any circuit, means it will define how much the circuit is working well, and it is also representing the sharpness of resonance, means how perfectly that circuit works. Okay, so if we have a diagram, if a graph between the current and the frequency for series resonance circuit, in that case we will get a curve like this. You can see here, these are the curve where here this represent the maximum value of current I naught, and at lower value of resistance current is maximum, at higher value of resistance current is lesser. Okay, so if we compare the two peaks at the different values of resistances, you can see here this this peak, right, this peak is sharp as compared to this one. It means higher is the quality factor of any circuit, sharper is the peak of resonance of current at lower value of resistance. So Q factor basically defines how sharper is the peak, is this peak value. Okay, so that can be find out by using a formula. Q factor is defined as the ratio of the voltage developed across inductance or capacitance. Okay, so we can write here XL into I. This is resistance into current is voltage. So since this is for inductive circuit, so voltage across the inductive circuit, okay, across L upon the applied voltage, that is upon the voltage applied across R, which is Ri. Or we can write this as Q is equal to XC I divided by Ri. Now putting the values, I to I cancel out in both cases. So in that case XL can be written as omega L upon R, and that can be written as Q is equal to 1 upon omega C into R. So putting the value of omega, we will be having, so here we can write omega R. At resonance we are talking about, so we will replace omega by omega R. So omega R can be written as, we know that omega is 1 by root LC. So L upon root of LC into R, and for this Q is equal to, this is 1 upon RC already here, and when you put omega R is equal to 1 upon root LC, 1 upon root LC, it will be root of LC. So simplifying this will be, this is root L by C into 1 by R. Okay, and similarly here this value of Q can be written as, similarly this can be written as Q is equal to, this root L is upward and the C is downward, so 1 by R root of LC. It means whether it is inductive circuit or it is capacitive circuit, the value of Q factor will be same, that is 1 by R root of L by C. So value of Q factor is root of L by C into 1 by R. This is the formula. So higher is the Q value, that value we will obtain at lower value of resistance. Okay, so more is the sharper, more sharper will be the peak of that resonance graph. You can see here the peak value will be sharper, right?